Crumble quail eggs. So cute. Strawberry. Harvest yesterday. Toast and the jam that I made. Look at how thick it is. Ah. Mm. 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 Perfect. Well, it's so good. Mm.